Hello everyone, myself Mr. Satabdi Dhar. In this video, I am going to discuss with you about the use of bitwise operator in shell script. Bitwise operator are the operators that perform bitwise operations on bit variables. There are 6 types of bitwise operators in shell scripting. The first one is bitwise AND. Bitwise AND is the operator that does the binary AND operation on the bits of the operands. That is, each bit of first variable is operand with respective bit of second operator. The second one is bitwise OR. Bitwise OR is the operator that does the binary OR operation on the bits of the operands. That is, each bit of first variable is operated with respective bit of second operator. The next one is bitwise OR. Bitwise OR is the operator that does the binary XOR operation on the bits of the operands. That is, each bit of first variable is operated with respective bit of second operator. The next one is bitwise complement. Bitwise complement is the operator that does the binary NOT operation on the bits of the operands. That is, each bit of first variable is operated with respective bit of second operator. The next bit is bitwise left shift. Bitwise left shift is the operator that shifts the bits of the operand to the left by n times specified at the right of the operator, and the last operator is bitwise left shift. Bitwise left shift is the operator that shifts the bits of the operand to the right by n times, specified at the right of the operator. So now we are going to write a shell script for implementation of the bitwise operator. At first, I am starting the terminal. Now I am navigating to desktop. Now I am in desktop and creating a shell script file, that is touch bitwise operator. So bitopt, I'm giving the name bitopt.sh. At first, this file will be not in executable mode, so I'm changing the mode of this file in executable mode. The code will be +x chmod +x. After that, the name, that is bitopt.sh. Now I am going to the file in the desktop. Yeah, here's the file btop.sh. Open the file, and now here we will write our shell script. So first we have to write #bang /bin, the location of the bash, that is /bin/bash. Now here is our shell script for the bitwise operator, and I have taken here two integer variable, that is a and b. The value of A I have taken 14 and the value of B I have taken 67. So now I am doing the bitwise AND operator. So bitwise AND, I am taking a variable bitwise AND equal to A bitwise AND B, and the value will be stored in the variable bitwise AND. To display, I am writing here, that is echo bitwise AND of A and B is $bitwise AND. That is, the value of bitwise AND will be shown here. For bitwise OR, I have taken a variable bitwise OR equal to A bitwise B, and $sign is given here. So the value of bitwise A of A and B will be stored in the bitwise OR variable. After that, it will be display the bitwise OR of A and B is $bitwise OR. The value of bitwise OR of A and B will be shown here. For doing the bitwise XOR operation, that is bitwise XOR operation, I have taken a variable bitwise XOR equal to $sign of A bitwise OR bitwise XOR with B, and displaying the value of bitwise XOR of A and B through this echo. For doing the bitwise complement, I have done the complement of A, and the value will be displayed by that echo bitwise complement of A is $bitwise complement. Through this variable, the value will be shown here. For left shift, that is bitwise left shift, I have taken the variable left shift equal to $sign of A bitwise left 1. So it will be shifted by 1, and the result will be displayed through this echo line. And here again the right shift will be shown here, that is bitwise right shift equal to $sign of bitwise right of 1 from B, and through the echo line right shift of B is $sign right shift. So through this right shift variable, the value will be shown here. The bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, bitwise complement, left shift, right shift, all the operation will be done in the binary numbers of this A and B. That is 14 and 16 should be in binary form. After that, the bitwise AND, bitwise OR, all the operations will be done on the binary numbers. So now I am going to save this script. I have saved it. Now I am going to the terminal. So here's our terminal, and to execute this script, just write dot slash the script name, that is bitopt dot sh. Enter. So after the AND operation, the bitwise AND of A and B is 2. Bitwise OR of A and B is 79. Bitwise XOR of A and B is 77. Bitwise complement of A. Bitwise complement of A is minus 15. After shifting bitwise left, that is left shift of A is 28. After shifting one bitwise in the right shift, that is right shift of B is 33. This is our script and it's the output of this script, shell script. Hope through this video I can make you understand about the bitwise operator and how it's used. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.